G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you get updated every week when we release these videos. So this week is a office favourite around here, which is the Weis Mango Daiquiri. So today's ingredients, we're going to make enough for two, so please keep that in mind, otherwise you're going to have a very strong Weis Mango Daiquiri. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is have a blender. We're going to put 2 Weis bars into the blender. Alright, a cup of milk. Any milk of choice. Today we're just using full cream milk. White rum, we're going to put in 60 mils of white rum. And blend away. You don't want to blend it too much where it goes really milky. You want to kind of blend enough so it's got some nice icy texture to it. There we have it. Now, there's another Weis bar here. We're just going to slice the orange section off the bar. Place that into your cup. And then fill up with that deliciousness. And I'm just going to grab a straw. And there you have the Weis Mango Daiquiri. Enjoy.